Manipulators don't fear loud people. They don't fear aggressive people. They don't even fear confident people. They fear calm people. Because calm people don't panic. They don't rush. They don't explain. And when you don't react, the manipulator loses the only weapon they have: control. If someone has ever pushed your buttons, twisted your words, provoked you in public, or made you feel confused for no clear reason, there's a reason for that. And once you understand it, you'll never fall for it again. Here's the truth. Most people don't understand. Manipulators are not powerful. They are dependent. They rely on your emotions, your reactions, your need to be understood. Without those, they collapse. That's why manipulation always starts small. A comment, a tone, a look, a pause. They throw something subtle and watch carefully. Not to hurt you, but to measure you. Manipulation is not about words. It's about feedback loops. They provoke, you react. They push, you explain. They confuse, you chase clarity. Every reaction gives them information. Your anger tells them where you're insecure. Your defense tells them where you need validation. Most people think, I'm just expressing myself. But to a manipulator, you're leaking data. Calm people don't give emotional feedback. They don't rush to correct disrespect. They don't explain things that don't deserve explanation. They don't react just because someone wants a reaction. This creates psychological starvation, and nothing frustrates a manipulator more than starving their control, because now they don't know if they offended you, if their tactic worked, or what to try next. Uncertainty is poison to control. Here's the deeper reason they hate calmness. Calmness exposes intention. When someone tries to provoke you and you stay calm, their behavior suddenly looks aggressive, insecure, and obvious. Manipulators survive on plausible deniability. They need you emotional so they can say they were just joking, just asking, or just misunderstood. Calm people remove that cover. Now understand this clearly. Calmness is not silence caused by fear. Fear-based silence looks tense. It avoids eye contact. It leaks anxiety. Manipulators love that. Calmness looks different. It's grounded. It holds posture. It maintains eye contact. It responds slowly, or not at all. That silence says, I am not affected. I am not rushing. I am not chasing control. That terrifies them. Picture this. Someone disrespects you subtly in public. A comment, a smirk, a pause. They want one thing, a reaction. If you snap, they win. If you explain, they win. If you look embarrassed, they win. But if you pause, breathe, and respond calmly, or walk away, the room changes. Everyone feels it. Manipulators rely on rhythm. They push, you react. They adjust. Calm people break the rhythm. So manipulators overplay their hand. They push harder. They get sloppy. They reveal intent. That's why calm people don't need to confront manipulators. They let them self-destruct. Here's the truth most people hate. People aren't manipulated because they're weak. They're manipulated because they're emotionally accessible. They explain too much. They react too fast. They care too loudly. Calmness is discipline, and discipline is power. Real calmness doesn't come from pretending. It comes from accepting that not everyone needs a response, from understanding that silence is a choice, from knowing that clarity is not owed to everyone. The moment you stop trying to control how others perceive you, you stop being controllable. The next time someone tries to provoke you, remember this. They are not attacking you. They are testing you. And every time you stay calm, every time you don't react, every time you don't explain, you pass the test. Manipulators don't fear strength. They fear self-control. And calm people have it. If this gave you clarity, not comfort, subscribe. Because calm minds see everything.